this is MuscledRider and welcome back to the channel once again. So as our bike is going to complete 1 year, by the time I upload the video it might be already 1 year for the bike, and we have decided to add 2 more modifications to the bike. The package is already with us. Yeah, there we go. And we will first unbox the package and then install on the bike. So let's start unboxing. This is the tail tidy, and so this is the rack. And now the tail tidy. Some zip ties and bolts again. Put this aside. Yeah, and the tail tidy part. So now let's get to the bike and start the installation process. So let's first start with the tail tidy because it is the difficult part on the bike to install. So first of all, we would need to remove the seat. Once the seat is removed, we would need to unclip this plug. This plug gives power to the indicators and the license plate light. Unplugging this clip is a bit tricky. Once you have unplugged the clip, you will need to remove all the bolts of the mud guard, the rear fender. Then remove the rubber bushes. Let's start removing the reflector, rear reflector. For that, we will have to unscrew these 2 bolts and then the indicators. And now we have separated the 2 separate parts of the rear fender. You will now need to remove all the harness screws which are placed inside the fender, which will free all the cables, and also unplug the indicators. Removing all this is a kind of hectic part, and it took me a lot of time to do all the experimentation and remove all this. And once you have removed the fender and separated all the parts, it's a easy work. Now you will start placing the tail tidy. It just has 4 bolts. Just place the tail tidy and use the 4 bolts which they have provided, and you are done. Once done, you will need to install the license plate and the reflectors and the indicators. That's the easiest part. Once done, plug the main plug and start your bike and test all the lights if they are working properly as expected. So this is how the tail tidy looks without the indicators. And for the luggage rack, we were not able to remove this because we don't have the right tool. अभी जा रहे हैं मैकेनिक के पास and we'll get this done from there.